Okay, so today.
All those golfers.
So today we're gonna be going down to that pond down there. We're gonna be grabbing some golf balls with our little contraptions. We're gonna be fishing out some golf balls to sell them. We're gonna try and make a quick buck off some rich ass golfers. Is that right?
We're gonna give ourselves 48 hours.
48.
72.
It's probably gonna be like a week. Let's be honest. The idea is to find as many Pro V1s as we can, maybe some nice Callaways, you know, if we're feeling lucky.
And we're gonna we're gonna do 3 Pro Vs for $5, what we're gonna start it at. And
we'll have prices figured out later.
Intro's too long, let's just start. Good work.
Sure
now we can see ourselves. Hold her up like we're vlogging.
What the fuck?
Alright, so we are going to collect the golf balls right now.
Yes!
We have the ball retrievers in the back, I don't know if you can see them. But we're going to go to a pond, try to get some Pro Vs or whatever kind of golf balls we can sell. And yes, day one, let's get it.
You know, I shaved the beard.
When Nick shaved his beard, I first signed it right on the side. It was, man, I lost 4 years just from shaving his face.
I look like a 12-year-old now.
You look like you were probably like 22, and now you went down back to like 14.
22, I'll take that. Dude, it's so clear.
It's been cleared
Holy
though.
cow.
It's been pretty cleared.
No, dude, there's like 5 in there that I bet you we could. The one that's like bent, that's mine.
That's yours?
Yeah, that one's mine. This one, you can
dude,
see, it's a little bit
dude.
jagged. Easy.
Dude, this water is so clear.
Yeah, it's normally like that shit over there.
Dude.
If you can see that.
Okay, it's kind of dirty.
Oh, okay. Dude, you suck.
Dude.
You're terrible. Imagine I fall in with the camera.
Even a golf ball? Oh my god, it is.
Yelling?
Yeah.
Fishing out of water.
That's the first one of the day.
We still have another place we can go though, right? We have hole 9.
We might want to go there.
This is normally throughout the whole entire pond. So the fact that it's so clear is actually, it's nice. That's why there's probably been so many people over here, because you can see everything. We normally fish out like half a bucket within just like 5 feet. Half a Home Depot bucket. But I don't think we're gonna be able to get that here on this hole at least. We might. We got golf!
Run!
Oh shit!
Over the bucket. You record, I got everything else.
Oh yeah, easy.
That time I noticed them.
Yeah.
Oh my, he just went over. We were set up right there, and I don't know if you can see through the trees, but there's golfers.
Dude, they might not be happy just because of their shots. They both hit in the water.
Yeah.
So we might be getting chewed out here, but we're just gonna be nice, see what happens.
Yep. We have to be quiet. Okay, hold on. Look out. Accumulated golf balls throughout.
This is very pathetic. We got like 10.
Putting Pro V1s, 3 balls for $5. We have $285 worth of Pro Vs already.
Those are all Pro V1 bags. And they're all in the bottom down there now. So that was from a couple of years ago. Or was it last year or this year?
Last year is when we did a bunch of fishing.
We found a shit ton of them last year, and then we never ended up selling them. That's what all these are.
And now we just have
Because obviously what we found this year so far has been little to none. Literally 7 balls or 8.
But this is a nice start. We just haven't got around to selling them last year, but we
also have Callaways and
tons.
stuff in here somewhere.
Yeah,
we got a bunch of colored ones. We got
card ones. Those
that's
are
his dad's.
And that's basically a wrap for day 1. So now we just gotta go out and sell and see how well we can do on each day.
So here we are. We're day 2, which is of selling golf balls, which was probably about a month later than when we recorded the first part. But we got, hold on. We're about to set up all the way over there on the 13th hole. There's walkers right now, so we can wait. Going across, they're approaching the stand. Are we gonna have any takers?
Skirted past the stand.
They didn't give a fuck. Come on, baby. Bye.
He's looking at it?
Oh, what if he, oh.
Hard pass, hard.
We got 2 hard passes. We got last guy.
Like he grabbed his wallet, no?
Yeah, that's unfortunate.
Time to walk.
Maybe when we're actually at the stand, people will want to buy our shit.
Nobody's bought him yet.
Oh yeah, look at this. Look at these fucking beautiful fucking, oh my god.
Other balls, Callaways, Provies. Just a beauty. We moved it from over there. Now we're right here. Perfect little area. We got golfers coming. We got golfers coming from over there. Hold on, let's see if we can see them. We got golfers coming, and then they're gonna come right up on this little pavement right here and go to the next hole.
And not buy anything.
And not buy anything. After the first group of people that went by and didn't want to buy.
I think we're too old for this.
We're too. I have a beard.
Dude, we need to get like wigs or something, bro.
We need to like do something else. So we're thinking about going with the automated system.
Put the money jar back.
Where we just put the money jar back, and then we just come back later, and hopefully there's money in the jar, and the balls aren't gone.
It's not all about money.
I'm not trying to just give away balls, bro.
Dude, nah, we'll give it like 20 minutes. You know?
20 minutes?
Like 2-3 more
Like,
groups.
Well, one of your groups is your dad.
Yeah.
He's up there right now.
Let's see the cart. I mean, dude, automated is like, it kind of feels good, like not being there and knowing that like you could be making money. Like right here, like we're really giving our time and our effort
To just get nothing.
Uh-huh.
So, we're dipping.
Didn't go too well, kind of wasted time. But,
a little bit.
We're gonna see if the automated system works. We just got back. And good thing is you can see the station where we set it from the house. It's by that tree down, you probably can't even see it on the camera.
No, it's like right by that little like porta body.
Yep.
Right?
Yep. And we're gonna probably check back in an hour, hour and a half, see if anyone bought anything.
Yo, wait, hold on. What's going on? What's going on?
Making our first sale.
We got our first sale?
Mm-hmm.
Uh-huh.
It's looking great.
Can you even see him? Hold on. Dude, we need the other lens, bro. Yo, there we are.
There's the stand.
That's the stand. Those guys, those are the first guys that we've had that have bought golf balls. I think they bought them though. They stopped. They stopped their cart right there.
Or they're just supposed to be no money at all. Just took golf balls.
Yeah, that
Deal
can
them
also
all.
happen.
Don't drive without a seatbelt. Beautiful. Oh, that's you.
You know how geek that'd be if they just turned and like started stealing our stuff and we just roll up on them and be like, hey, this is our fucking spot.
Hilarious. Okay. I don't want to just like go up out of the jar. There's something in there, dude. Look at that. Zoom in on the jar.
Dude, you can't see it from here. There's no chance.
Okay, it's our time. We're trying to shine.
Oh my god! That's like a fat stack.
Open it up.
Oh, it's only $1.
I think it's 5 though. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's $5 without doing anything. It's $5 more than we would have had if we were not. Yeah. It's a great sale. Here we go. $5. It's been an hour. I just realized that's not even close to like minimum wage.
No.
I mean, dude, we weren't even doing it.
Technically, we're not even working.
We already said on TikTok.
Yeah.
Ready to go. Place your bets.
Place your bets.
I think they're gonna go right by. Oh, here we go.
Oh my. Is that a 2 for 2? Hold on. No, he's getting out. What was that?
The good thing about a spot is they can't get to the next tee box without going in front of the stand.
Yeah, they can't.
Because
there's a road and then they have
I
to
don't
go
know why
across.
their carts are facing that way, dude.
It's $30 on this.
$30?
Uh-huh. It's a 20 and a 10.
Yo.
Another $30. 30 bucks.
30?
Not right.
That's 10 for each of us. Cart rental.
Go up
We're going back, down.
More
Dude, you gotta
people.
point at me, dude.
Oh, yeah.
Okay?
You cut it?
Yeah, you cut. Alright, going back down to the cell station.
Yes.
And what we're gonna do, we found that they could be stealing right now. No one knows. We don't know. So we're gonna go. Dude, where the fuck are you going?
You gotta get to the bucket.
Oh, yeah, to the buckets. Okay, you're right, you're right. So we're bringing buckets. We're gonna bring some more.
The bucket's right
We're
there.
gonna only keep 30 balls or something down there,
Yeah,
so
so
that we know how many there are down there, so we can count them with the amount of money that we're making.
Yeah, 'cause
that
right now
way
people could be stealing.
we can tell if they're stealing, because we just have a bucket down there with a ton of balls. They could just be we don't know.
All right, so we're gonna clear the bin, the money bin, every once in a while too, because then it gives them more incentive to help buy our stuff, because they feel bad because there's no money in the jar. So,
Like literally, the money just keeps getting cycled.
but it just keeps getting cycled.
and nobody can like steal the money that's already in there.
That's true. Then, yeah.
I mean, if anything, the worst case scenario, balls get stolen, but if they steal balls and money, then it's kind of like fuck you. But
No man, just eating my spaghetti. Taking a little break, you know what I mean?
dude, the automated's the way to go, because they don't know who they're helping.
Exactly. It could be 5-year-olds. It could be Tom and Nick making some bank off some stupid golfers. You know?
Money jar. We got $1. Beautiful. Good. Good way to end the day. That's $41 today.
Yes.
We got pretty solid. You got anything to say?
I'm happy. $41. That's more than I would make in 4 hours of work.
Alrighty.
We're
It is
back.
day number 2.
No, it's day 3.
Is it 3?
We had a day to set up,
Oh yeah.
and we had a day where we sold, which was yesterday, and then now we're back on day 3. We're about to go check up on the automated system. We left it out for a couple hours today instead of yesterday. We only left it out for.
We made $25. It's
We-
been
yeah.
like 5 hours.
We've made $20-25 today.
Yesterday we made 67 in 5 hours, so it kind of fluctuates. All right, that's a wrap for the video. It took us 3 days to record. 1 day to get the balls.
It's like a month in between.
Yeah, no, we waited like a month after the first part, but we sold for the past 2 days, and we got balls like a month ago, but
We sold 2 days. We
3-day
ended up with
process.
about over like $100.
it's like
So
114 was the final.
overall, I think it was a good outcome for not
Yeah.
even working.
No, it
we
was
just
good.
set a table down.
It takes
so.
10 minutes to set up a table every single day, let it run, come check on it like once an hour, once every 2 hours, and hopefully people are genuine.
Anyways, it was pretty fun to make. You guys should go try it out, and thank you for watching.
I don't think we can go home tonight. I still
Screw this thing back on, dude.
No. That's not the problem. The problem is this thing. You gotta push it down. Yeah. Keep pushing.
Pushing.
Yeah.
It's not working.
Got it. Well, stop. It can't be that hard. It's just. Send it. Come on.
Oh, yo, it's gonna break.
No?
Yeah, cause.
Nah.
We need No, that's way too big.
This is huge.
No, we need this. We get that. That thing's not.
God,
that thing's
bro,
not tough
there's
enough.
no
is it?
way.
It's not tough enough, is it? We got technical difficulties. Is it good?
No.
Dude,
It's
what
not
the
gonna go.
fuck happened?
Just send it, bro. Just.
Dude, I don't want to break the camera.
Oh.
Okay, well, I think it's good. Well, there's a pond.
As you can see,
So far,
there's a pond.
that's all we say. There's a pond.
Fucking point it down at all.
You put it way too far down, dude. No, up. Oh, that's perfect right there. Good work. Okay, now we go into the frame at the same time. No,
Oh, at the same time.
Or you just do that. You ready?
Yeah.
Clap 3, 2, 1.
All right.